Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Firstly you have to open phone application, switch to the contacts section, select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon, then tap on the camera icon, take photo or just select one from the gallery. So let's select this one. Okay, here I can adjust how it would look like on the actual user preview or something, and tap save. And once again, and as you can see, photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.